Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, June 10th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord group. It's a link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, we've been looking for shorts if you've been following along with my videos. Price went right to the 78% Fibonacci retracement of this last move down, which was actually a perfect 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves down. Yesterday, I was talking about how potentially it could break up. And it didn't break up. It actually just went up and rejected structure again, which is why we continue to trade with the trend and continue to look for shorts. It looks like a potential 1, 2, 3 waves up to a Fibonacci level. If that is true, then potentially we are going to end up going back down. The US dollar pairs have been very, very choppy. Trump is talking with China about the tariffs, so likely the market is kind of waiting to find out what happens with that. But at least until the daily time frame market flow changes to up, I am definitely still primarily looking for shorts in a downtrend. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.